Test, train, split. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we're going to be looking at a function that takes a data set and begins to split it up and we need to do this right before we're going to actually train a model. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So we need to really talk about where this is. So it can be a little difficult to find, but let's just look at it. So we've brought in sklearn and we've aliased it sk. So then, and I want to show you where this lives. And you may need to explicitly bring this in because here's model selection. So this lives one more, and you're going to need to explicitly import it. So it's sklearn. Even though you've aliased it, you still need to reference the entire library name. So it'd be from sklearn dot module selection import test train split. So all right, so we've brought this in, or I think I have. Let's look at it. All right, so help on train test split. All right, so let's look at this for a little bit, because I don't like to just show you what to do. I like to show you why to do it. So all right, this has a array splat, or args. So you're able to pass in any number of arrays, numpy arrays, lists, anything that is iterable. So, and I want you to look and then see what it outputs, and we're gonna show you. So, all right, it will then output. There we go. Returns split list length to a length of array, and then there's also a train and split. So let's look and see what this does. Let's look back here. Okay, so test size or train size, and then you can even work with the randomness so you can repeat it. So let's bring this in here. Data, there we go, and data.target, right? There we go. Okay. So x equals data.data, y equals data.target. So here we go. Okay, so this is what I really want to draw your attention to. It's going to create 4 arrays because I'm passing this in, and it's going to create 2 because it's going to split. And I did not look and see what it defaults. But so we're going to pass in train x, test x, because it's going to output. Since I'm passing in 2, it's going to output return 4. So train y, test y will equal train test split, then x, y, and then again I want the test size, and we need to pass in that argument, test size, and I want it to be 20%. So there we go. So now train x, there we go, train y, there we go. All right, so now I've created and split these out. So I'm going to, in next video, we're going to be talking about support vector machines, and really what is that doing, why is it doing what it's doing, creating borders, and talking a little bit about what type of learning that is. So there we go, guys. A little bit more of an in-depth video today about more of what train test split is doing in the background. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server, hitting that like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.